In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar in Blogger. Having a navigation bar on your blog is vital as it helps streamline your website, making it easy for visitors to find their way around and access important pages quickly. It serves as a central hub for the essential areas of your website, guiding your audience seamlessly through your content. So whether you're a beginner or someone looking to spruce up your site, this step-by-step guide will get you well on your way. First, let's start by signing in to your Blogger account. Once you're in, your dashboard will greet you with several options. Here, you're going to want to focus on creating the core pages for your blog, which are the backbone of your navigation bar. Click on the Pages section. This is where you'll create and manage all your necessary pages. Start by creating some essential pages such as Home, About, Contact, Privacy Policy, and Disclaimer. For each page, you'll need to open a new Create Page window. Enter the desired title and then draft the content you wish to display. Once you have entered all the information on each page, you need to publish them one by one. This is crucial because only published pages can be displayed in the navigation bar. If your pages aren't published, they won't appear. Now let's move on to adding these pages to your navigation menu. Navigate to the Layout section from your Blogger dashboard. This area is where you orchestrate the visual layout of your blog. Look for the option to add a gadget. Gadgets in Blogger function similarly to widgets, allowing you to add extra functionality and design elements to your site. Find and select the Pages gadget. The Pages gadget will let you showcase the list of pages you've just created. When you've selected the Pages gadget, you'll see a list that includes all the pages you've published, ready for you to include in your navigation menu. Here you can choose exactly which pages you want to display on your navigation bar. Reorder them according to how you would like them to appear by dragging the page titles up or down. Arranging the most important pages at the beginning of your navigation bar can significantly enhance user experience and accessibility. Don't forget to click Save after arranging your pages to ensure all changes are effective. Finally, save your layout. By doing so, you're telling Blogger to apply and display these settings on your live site. Your navigation menu will now proudly appear on your blog, making it much easier for your visitors to navigate and find exactly what they're looking for. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a navigation bar to your Blogger site, helping your readers explore what you have to offer effortlessly. With these convenient steps, you're not only improving the look of your blog, but also enhancing its usability for a smoother, visitor-friendly experience.